Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about Whatweb. So what is this tool? So it is a next generation web scanner which basically does CMS identification about the target and it enumerates what technology it is running on. We have already seen tools like Wapalizer and BuiltWith, but this tool is totally free and open source. The code is also available on GitHub. Also, it gives you much more details onto your command line as well. In any case, when you're performing your pen test or bug bounties, you can identify information about your target. So it is free and no sign up required fast web scanner, which can identify different technologies which are running onto your web application. So it is the practical time, and let's quickly jump on to see how you can do the installation of Whatweb. For that, you just need to go to this particular GitHub repo, which is by Urban Adventurer, which is of Whatweb. Over here, you can see it is a next generation web scanner. The latest release date when it was released, and yeah, there is pretty much a lot of features that this tool gives us, and we can identify a lot of about our target. So what you can do is you can use the website version as well to identify things. So let me just show you. Just go to Whatweb and hit enter and go to this particular URL, which is whatweb.net. Over here you can see enter a domain to analyze, wherein you can enter a domain name and you can analyze about the web technology or CMS or analytic packages that it is using, or JavaScript libraries, maybe jQuery. So we are going to search for hacktify.in, and you can choose any particular target that you are doing the hunting on. So let me choose hacktify.in and let's see what information do we get. As you can see, we have got the result over here, and this is pretty much a lot of verbose output in which we can see, first of all, we got a 301 moved permanently redirect because the website works on HTTPS and we did not add anything. So HTTP is redirecting on 301. All right. The server it is using is Apache. The server is located in United States. It is using HTTP server Apache. The IP address of the server, it is redirecting to a location which is HTTPS, which we have already discussed. So when it will go to HTTPS version, it is going to give a 200 OK. The server is again Apache, Bootstrap library 3.4.0. The email address is that is being onto the website. It has also identified that, and it is giving an email which is shifa@hacktify.in. It has also identified the framework, and it is saying they are using HTML5, they are using Frame, HTTP server is Apache. I have hidden the Apache version from my server. That's why you're not able to see the version number over here, but you could have seen version numbers for different targets when you are searching for them. Again, the IP address, the jQuery version, in case the jQuery version is vulnerable or has some serious exploits, you can just search for those exploits on internet, and you can download the publicly available exploits and you can exploit the jQuery for XSS and other vulnerabilities. Hacktify.in server is also using Lightbox, Modernizer, and different JavaScript libraries. And the title is Best Ethical Hacking in Mumbai, Top Ethical Hacking CH in Mumbai. So this is the title of that particular web server that we have identified. Now, for those who do not like to use the GUI version or the browser version, they can also use the CLI version. So let's see this, how to do this. First thing you need to do is you need to install Whatweb into your computer. So those who are running onto Kali or Parrot, Debian based operating system, they can use apt manager to install Whatweb. You just have to simply type apt-get install Whatweb and it will start doing the job. It will just take a couple of seconds and it will install Whatweb into your computer. Now let us see how to use this tool. So let me first clear the screen for you and zoom this a little bit more. So I'm going to write Whatweb and https://hacktify.in and hit enter. This is pretty much it. You just need to give the name of the tool and the target you want to scan or get identified about. So it will just take a couple of seconds, and from here you can see the details. So we have got a 200 OK now because we gave the protocol, which is HTTPS. We have identified it is running on Apache Bootstrap 3.4.0, the country, Apache, the jQuery version, the IP address. So the same results that we got from the web. So this way, guys, you can identify similar websites which are running on similar kind of technologies, which will be helpful in attacking at the later on part. So I hope you guys understood how you can use a Whatweb GUI version, which is basically from the browser, and also the CLI version. Thank you.